What is the primary goal of sustainable development? No? Letter A, to promote economic growth regardless of environmental cost. Letter B, to ensure that present needs are met without compromising future generations. Letter C, to limit industrial expansion in developed countries. Or letter D, to preserve culture by halting modernization. The correct answer, ladies and gentlemen, is it's letter B, to ensure the present needs are met without compromising the future generations tumpak. Okay? Okay ha, ito po ang chika, no? Actually, napakadali lang po ng tanong na ito, no? Because this came from the Brundtland Commission, no? Ito po yung definition na ginagamit during the Brundtland Commission of 1987. Anong ibig sabihin ng sustainable development? Meeting the needs of the present generation without compromising of the future, no? Ibig sabihin, yes, we may consume something now, no? Pwede naman po tayo mag-consume, pero not to the point na wala nang matitira sa susunod na saling lahi. So, dapat gawin nating sustainable. May itinitira tayo para sa kanila, no? Ang eksena, mga kababayan, I also, no, included this as one review question during the time of the last September 2025 review weeks, no? Ang eksena, no, Diyos ko po, tinanong ulit ng board exam at nagkandalito-lito pa ang taong bayan. Bakit binaligtad po ng board exam yung tanong? No? Diyos ko, yun po yung iiwasan natin. Huwag po kayong malilito-lito. Kahit bali-baligtarin po ng board exam yung tanong. Ito yung tinanong niya. What do you call the development that ensures the present needs are met without compromising the future? Ang sagot pa rin po, sustainable development. Wala na pong iba, no?